Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add highlights on Instagram without adding it to your story. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram account on your phone. Click on the home tab. Make sure you're on the home tab, and then from here, what you need to do is click on your story. And now add in that image or video to your story. For example, I'm going to use this shirt. And then click on next. Click on share. And click on done. Once that is done, click into your profile. And then click onto your story. As you can see, it's been added here. And then what you need to do here is click on the three dotted lines for more. And then click on delete. And then click on delete again. Alright, once that's done, make note after deleting the story, you have to wait for 24 hours until it disappears from your story timeline as well. And now once that is done, click on the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner of your screen. And then click onto your activity. And then here, look for removed and archived content. And then click onto recently deleted. And that recent deleted story will be here. Now what you want to do now is click into that. Click on the more options down below. And then click on restore. Then click on restore again. Once that is done, go back to your profile. So click on back a few times. And then where it says story highlights, click on add new. And now click on that photo or video that you want to add to your highlights. Like so. And click on next. Give it a name. I'm just going to give a quick name called test. Then click on done. You can turn it into a highlight if you want, but I'm going to click on not now. And as you can see, that story is now a highlight. So if I click into it, there you go. And as you can see, my post is added to highlights without added to story. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it, and it helps us out a lot.